before I actually show you how you can actually get your first 1,000 subscribers in 3 days, let's read out those comments together. I'm 3 years plus on YouTube and I've not still reached 1,000 sub, yet I'm still here. Keep going, guys. Don't give up. Best wishes to all those small creators out there. Let's go. Then this other person said, I've had my channel for almost a year and I'm still stuck at 33 subscribers, but I still think my channel could grow and I'm still not giving up anytime soon. Good luck to all new YouTuber. It's very, very sad and disheartening to see this kind of comment. It actually, touched me to must have made this video, because a lot of persons are struggling on to get their 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. And in this video I'm going to share you the proven strategies in which you can use to get your first 1,000 subscribers with no stress. But first of all, I'm going to show you the channel that actually uses this exact method I'm about to share with you in this video to get their 1,000 subscribers, and their channel is still doing very well. And also you need to pay attention to the end of this video, because I'm going to tell you what you need to do after you might have gotten your first 1,000 subscribers, and what you need to pay attention or what you need to focus on after you might have gotten your first 1k subscribers. So all what you need to do is just to stick around to the end of this video, which I'm going to share this method with you, right? So this channel right here use this exact method and grew his channel from 0 to over 2k subscribers now. I myself, I use the same method to grow my subscribers, or to grow this channel from 500 subscribers to over 1k subscribers as you are watching me right now. And I also use the same strategies on this my second channel here to grow this channel from 0 to close to 1,000 subscribers here. And this creator here still use the same method to grow his channel to over 1k subscribers now. And there's a lot of comment going on about the same person that use the same method to get their 1,000 subscribers. I'm not going to read the comment out, but I'm just going to drop it on the screen for you to see that this actually works. And with the right strategy, with the right way, you can also work on your channel if only you follow the instruction I'm going to give to you in this video and you do it rightly. So just pay attention. Let's just get diving into the video. Hi, if you are new here, my name is Affitech Digital. You are welcome to my channel. If you want to be seeing more of my content about how to get subscribers, sharing different strategies, different methods, all of those stuff like that, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. And lastly, don't forget to turn the bell notification so you always get updated each time I bring in a new video. You will come to Instagram, going to look at a viral short, a short that was posted few hours or few days ago that has a lot of views and everything. So I'm just going to scroll down. Like those guys shorts always perform very well. Like there's this one short I normally use for my own. I think I must have deleted it. Sorry, reels. So let's say like this octopus here is very, very okay. You just look for something that will, captivate your audience, or something like this. You understand? See, 1.5 million views. And let's look at the time. It was 10 weeks ago, which is still very, very okay. Something like this. Let's say when this was posted 4 weeks ago. It's very, very important. Like it's very, very okay. So what you just need to do, just to go ahead, click here. You can see that over 2.4 million persons have downloaded this thing. So you click here, copy link. You come to your search bar, and what you just need to click on is Instagram Reel Downloader. Can you see it right here? You click on it. You click on this first one. So when you click, you now see a place to paste the link. You paste the link. And okay, let's just do this for the purpose of this tutorial. I'll go ahead and download it. To go ahead to your editing app, I don't know, whichever one you can. It could be CapCut, it could be InShot. So I'm going to use InShot, right? You can use any other editing apps. Click on video, click on new project, bring in the shot, tick on this mark option. Then you come to this canvas. Then make sure you put it in 19.16. That's the size for YouTube shorts, all those stuff like that. So when you put it, the first thing is that you need to react to this shot. For 2.6 or 4 million persons to download this shot, they see that it's going viral, it's doing well. That's why they downloaded it. So you don't know if they've actually posted it there on YouTube and all of those stuff like that. So the very first thing, so you can just write a text like this: AI body is wow. I'm going to use capital letter, put it here. I click on mouse. So what I just need to do you just want me to go ahead and drag it till the end of this video. So after I might have dragged it to the end of this video, I click on more. So I would want to react to this short because we don't know how many persons have posted this short. You are just going to put, if you have a reaction video, fine. If you don't have, you can just put a video of you talking, all of those stuff like that. So let's just really check what we can add in there to look as if we are reacting to the short. Okay, so let's say um don't know then, okay, let's just pick one of my video, guys, and bring it here. So what I just need to do is just to come over here and remove the background of this video. You can either choose to reduce the size or anyone. So another thing I'm going to do is just to mute the sound of this video because I wasn't talking, it was just in music. And I'm going to cut it here. I'm going to cut it here. Boom, boom, I've cut it. So in some cases I would have preferred you split this AI body. Do you understand? Split this AI body, cut it, bring the last part to the first part, like just do something like that, rough editing. You know, considering the new YouTube rules policy, we need to be careful. Okay, this one is another scene, so I'm just going to stop where this scene stops. So this thing stop here, so I'm going to drag it here. I could either bring it to the front or I could either take it to the back. Can just still cut from here, come here, you drag it to the front, and you just play around with it. And what you just need to do is just to go ahead and save it to your phone. So let me show you how you can post your short the right way for it to go viral, to gain visibility and all of those stuff like that. So when you come to this plus sign, I'm sure it's still downloading, right? I'm not going to post it, so just for the purpose this tutorial. So when you bring in the short, what you don't need to do, just to go ahead and click on done. So when you click on done, this is the main video, just that I will not wait for that one to finish download since I'm not going to upload it. So just import it first of all. After that, you need to write a captivational text on those short, like saying that my body is mind blowing, like anything, because this is the thing that viewer will first of all see and they will want to click on those show. So I will show you how this thing is going to show. You have an option there where you can choose to use voiceover and be talking about the short here. You just press to record, but if that is not necessary, you can click here to add any viral sound on TikTok to it, right? So you can see this sound has 1.5 million, like 1.5 million shots are using the sound. This one 5 million shots. So you can even choose to choose the sound from here. This one 20 million shots are using the sound. So you can actually choose that and you come here. You say you could not believe, let your hashtag be just 3. Do you understand? Depending on what you are posting. I say hashtag short. Do you understand? So I will not say hashtag short feet. So when you come here, visibility will be public. You need to select this option. No, it's not made for kids. If you choose to add your own related, like your long form content to this short, you just click here to add it. If you choose not to, it's best known to you. So we have a place for thumbnail. So this is how you choose a thumbnail in your short. So you just keep on dragging this thing to the part that the view, this is a place that viewer will first of all see on their short feed on their own page, and it will prompt them to click to watch. So I don't know, maybe let's say we go with us. So this is going to be our thumbnail. So after doing all of those stuff like that, altered content, of course, no. Do you understand? So after that, you just click here to upload your short, and doing that, you are good to go. So let's say I scroll down here, let's see if I will see any short. So the title we added on that short, this is how to show, like this glory, see, know this. So and the thumbnail is the first thing you're going to see in this short feed, that like this, something like this, that will prompt you to click on the short, right? After you must have gotten your subscribers using this method, the question is, should I still continue using the same method? But first of all, I want to share something with you. I've actually do away with those videos on my channel. That is why I'm not showing you proof of what I did. Most of you here came through my channel from this method I'm sharing with you in this video. What I did is that there was this one video that actually gives me views, gives me subscribers, and each time I publish this short keeps blowing my mind. It keeps giving me 26,000 views, 30,000 views. Do you know what I did? I tried a lot of shorts on my channel, and those 3 shorts and those three short were my most watched short. You know what I did? If I posted this short for like 3 days and I keep on uploading short and this one stopped getting views, what I did was that I had to delete that short and re-edited it again, and I still upload it back on YouTube, and I was still getting my views, and YouTube did not strike me for that. I didn't get struck for reused content, because when I deleted it, I make sure that what I used the other time I posted it is not the same thing with what I'm going to use the next time I'm going to post it on my YouTube channel. This way, it helped me stay safe from reused content, and it also helps YouTube not to strike my channel or not to place a copyright claim on that short. And if you are, like a kind of funny person, you can bring something that is funny. Fine, you can stay on your own, create your own video, post it for people to watch, and you upload it as short. After all, those people that you went to copy their videos from, they are still human beings, right? It's just based on creativity and everything, and they were able to put that video out there, editing in such a way that 70% of this video goes to you, while 30% goes to the creator itself. This way, YouTube won't see it as a reused content. And after that, the next question is, should I continue using the same method after I've gotten my 1000 subscribers? The answer there is no. You don't have to continue using the same method. When once you have hit your first 1000 subscribers, you need to privatize all those shots. I won't tell you to delete them, because when you delete videos from your channel is open to shadow banned. YouTube will limit the visibility of your channel. They will limit how they recommend your videos to people. Even your short at that moment will not be getting views again. So the only advice I'm going to share with you is that you should privatize or unlist those shorts so that it won't appear on your channel again, because the more you leave those shorts there, the more you keep on getting subscribers, the more you keep on getting views. And the reason why I tell you that you should privatize or unleash this short, and the reason why I say you should stop posting those short, is that YouTube need 15 million views in the last 30 or 90 days from your short in order for you to get monetized. And even when you are using the short to monetize your channel, even when you monetize your channel through short, what they are paying you is still paying. Like, they are paying you a little amount of money, not like what they will pay you when you grow your channel with your long form content and you get your 4,000 watch hours. Not as big as what they are going to pay you with that. So it's better when you get it, you unlist them, you privatize them, and start posting your long form content in order for you to grow your watch hours. So guys, here come the end of this tutorial. Use this method, and trust me, you are going to come back to the comment section of this video to thank me later. And this short, make sure at least in a day you post 5 shots in a day. There is no way you post 5 shots today, 5 shots tomorrow, 5 shots the next day. In fact, even one shot can even give you over 1k subscribers. It's very, very possible. You just need to be consistent with uploading those shots on your channel. I extend short depending on how long your strength carries you. But me, I always notice that whenever I post short then on this my channel, when I wake up like 2 a.m., 3 a.m. and post short, I wake up seeing that this short has already gotten millions of views and subscribers. People were already sharing it. So for your own, it might not work out for you that way, but you need to try posting this short in different time zone and actually stick back to the one that actually works for you, right? So do it like this, and trust me, within those 3 days, you are going to get your first 1000 subscribers. It's not magic. With this strategy I'm just sharing with you in this video, you are going to get it. So please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. If this video help, please do well to share this video to your channel, to your friends, so that they actually see that this method actually helps, and it will help a whole lot of person to get their 1000 subscribers really, really, really fast on YouTube. I'll still make another video in which you can use another strategy or another method to get your 1000 subscribers. So what you don't need to do, just to subscribe to this channel, turn the bell notification so you always get updated each time I bring in a new video. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video.